Start with one irresistible offer. Focus on either creating the right offer for a specific group if you're starting, or doubling down on your best performing offer if you're established. One offer, one clear message, no confusion. Set a clear North Star goal. It doesn't have to be perfectly measurable, but it must guide everything you do. Think increased sales, not just vanity metrics like likes or followers. Identify your exact target market. Get clear on demographics, geographics, and most importantly, psychographics. What they believe, what they fear, what they want. Remember, customers don't buy when they understand. They buy when they feel understood. Find the gap between their miseries and miracles. Your marketing must bridge that gap, help them move away from their pain and toward their dreams. Be where your audience is already present and active. Don't waste time creating content on platforms your target market doesn't use. Research demographics and pick one or two platforms max. Pick a content type based on your strengths: text, audio, or video. Use email marketing. Build an email list with a strong lead magnet. Email at least weekly. Email marketing still drives the highest ROI across all channels. Map the full customer journey, starting from the sale and working backward. Don't dump traffic on a homepage. Lead people step by step toward conversion. Know your customer lifetime value, CLV. This tells you how much you can spend to acquire and retain a customer. Finally, supercharge everything with video content. Whether it's short-form videos on TikTok and Instagram or full YouTube videos, subscribe for more no-fluff business breakdowns like this.